How have you been thinking about manufacturing of the robot? So you have right now the first prototypes. These are really custom built, meaning there's a lot of iterations that go into. They have a lot of scars, right? They've had a lot of surgery, but then you'll need to ship out the ready-made product. How have you thought about building a resilient manufacturing base right now from the bill of material that you've been tinkering with in the prototyping phases?
Yeah. I mean, again, this is one of those like big engineering trade-off decisions. And like we've made decisions early on that our priority was going to be building one robot that works before we before we start to scale up. I think, something that happens is like if you scale up before the hardware is mature, then you just end up scaling your hardware problems. And yeah, and so right now most of our effort has gone to building that one. But there's the caveat there is that, I come from a world where you're building new machinery that's expected to do commercial work right away. And so I bring this, mindset of how do you do things economically that's still able to be iterated on. And then like Dylan spent tons of time in Shenzhen and, is a huge resource for us as we start to look towards cheaper manufacturing options. And so we've got, the skeleton there to build around, but definitely all the focus so far has been make one that works.